We'll commence with Josiah Lance, now moving into double-digit territory. A happy 10th to Josiah in Pittsburgh.
And Wade Westhoff celebrating birthday number 37 this year. Hope you have a great one. My, those strawberries look delicious. Wade is in St. Paul.
In the Berg, David Hall is celebrating number 39. A happy birthday to David, and know that this comes with love from your big sister, Charity.
Aww. With love from the whole family going out to Tammy Sells. Tammy is 48 years old this year. Looking great there, girl.
Faye Storm celebrating an 87th birthday. Miss Faye, a very happy birthday to you in Lamar.
All right. And also on our birthday list, we have David Omi, who's 39 years old in McCune, Kansas. Cortland Shaw turning 24 this year in Carterville.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this September the 29th. This is where you can send them into birthdays at koamtv.com, or you can also connect to us via the website, koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. So just go to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.